Whether you're powering a full-blown off-grid metal concert in the middle of nowhere, lights blazing, amps screaming, or holding the line at home when the grid goes dark and the storm starts raging, DIYsolar.com delivers. Relentless power, unshakable reliability. Built for the extremes, with the lowest prices, the best gear on the market, and service that never quits. Stop lighting your money on fire buying those cheap, high-frequency, transformerless boxes the YouTube hype machine keeps shoving down your throat. You've seen it. Slick edits, discount codes, zero real testing. And the second you hit them with a real load, they fold like cardboard. That's not power. That's marketing. If you want something that actually survives the hit, you step up to an iron core inverter. Brutal surge capacity, tank-built durability, 24/7 operation that doesn't blink. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, no fragile electronics pretending to be something they're not. When the load spikes, when the storm hits, when everything else burns out, this is what's still standing. Overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent. Welcome to real power.